standing at just half an inch long and weighing a whopping 0.07 ounces, this adorable pollinator is an MVP in the insect world. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the honeybee! Honeybees love to dance. Honeybees collect nectar from flowers and transport it back to the hive, where they convert it into honey. While foraging, bees communicate through waggle dancing, a figure-8 move that tells other bees where the best nectar is. Depending on the nectar's location, size, and distance, they'll waggle anywhere from 1 to 100 times. 2. One bee makes less than a teaspoon of honey. A single worker bee produces only 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its lifetime. That means it takes more than 500 bees to fill an 8-ounce jar. 3. Bees are actually pretty strong. Pollen is critical for a honeybee's health. It not only provides fat and protein, but it's also an important food for bee larvae. Honeybees can carry up to 35% of their own body weight in pollen. By moving pollen from flower to flower, they help pollinate crops and other plants. It's no surprise they're among the best pollinators in the world. 4. They eat their own honey, like a lot of it. To produce beeswax, honeybees must consume their own honey, about 8 pounds of honey for every pound of beeswax. Honeybees rely on beeswax to build and maintain the intricate honeycomb design of their hives. 5. Honeybees follow strict social roles. A healthy colony can hold 40 to 60,000 bees, each with a specific job. Worker bees are female and tasked with cleaning and protecting the hive, as well as foraging outside for food and water. Drones are male bees that mate with queens, often from other hives, to maintain genetic diversity. The queen bee lays eggs and runs the entire operation. 6. The queen is everything. The queen bee is vital to the health of a beehive. Worker bees secrete a protein-rich substance called royal jelly to feed both larvae and a developing queen. At her peak, the queen bee can lay 2,000 plus eggs daily. She is the only bee that can mate and produce new workers, which keeps the entire hive thriving. A queen bee is replaced if she's too sick to work or if she dies. 7. Honey lasts forever, if sealed. Thanks to its low moisture and antibacterial properties, honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found honey jars in ancient Egyptian tombs, thousands of years old, and still edible. 8. Honeybees can see ultraviolet light. Their color vision is 5 times faster than humans. This helps them track other flying bees and avoid being swatted. They can also spot unique UV color patterns, or landing zones, on flowers, which guide them to nectar and pollen. 9. Their pollination is critical for food production. Honeybees and other animals help pollinate 1/3 of the world's food crops, making them essential to global food production. According to some experts, that's about 1 out of every 3 bites of food we eat. 10. Honeybees can recognize human faces. Even though they only have about 0.01% of the neurons that humans do, honeybees can observe and remember patterns, including the details of our faces. Both adorable dancers and incredibly strong athletes, honeybees are true MVPs. Most valuable pollinators, that is.